Happy Thursday, year one. It's time for our next session of maths. Let's see what it's got in store for us today. Okay, here's our hook it, everybody. You talk to your grown up, pause the video while you have your chat. What do you notice? What do you notice about what's on screen today? Have a get everyone back. I hope you've noticed that this is the same and that this is the same in all of them. So they're all adding? No. They're all taking away. They're all subtraction signs. And they are all taking away 1. Do you remember yesterday we looked at adding 1? So it might be a little bit similar. Let's have a look. So they were all subtraction number sentences and they were all taking away 1. Now this might seem a little easy, guys, but the more practice that we can get on our number lines, the better. And once we can take away 1, we can take away 2, we can take away 3, we can take away any number you can think of. Okay, so let's practice this one then. So to solve this calculation here, let's read it together. We've got 7 take away 1 equals. What do we do? Pause the video, talk to your grown up. What do you do? Okay. What we do is we first work out what number we're going to start on. Okay. The number I'm going to start on is the first number in my number sentence. Okay. I'm going to put a little circle around that so I know that that's where I'm starting. Okay. The next bit of the number sentence now tells us our next step. So it's taken away. Now yesterday we were adding and we went that way with our jumps. The number got bigger each time. But we're not adding today. We're taking away. So the number, the jumps must go that way. And the number gets smaller. So we've worked out where we're starting. We've worked out what we're going to be doing, what operation we're doing. We're subtracting. How many are we going to subtract? That's the next step. Number 1. So we're going to start on 7. We're going to take away 1. So here I am. I'm on number 7. And I'm going to do 1 jump, remembering that we're going that way to number 6. So the answer must be 6. 7 take away 1 equals 6. Does everyone understand that? Does everyone understand that we go different ways when we're adding and subtracting? Because the number gets bigger if we're adding, smaller if we're subtracting. Okay, let's move on then. Let's do some practice. Okay. We're going to use our number line now to work out these calculations. Okay, let's start with this first one. Let's read it together. Are you ready? 8 take away 1 equals, Remembering what I did a minute ago, we're going to use the first number as our starting point. And I'm going to give it a little circle. Now, taking away, which way? Point for me. Which way do we go? Which way do we travel on our number line if we're taking away? Do we go this way? Or do we go this way? You're right, we go to the left. The number gets smaller. Okay, so we're going to do 1 big jump to the left because it tells us here that we're taking away, oh, that was a bit of a scribble, taking away 1. Are we ready? 1. So we get to number 7. So the answer must be 7. 8 take away 1 equals 7. I apologise in advance for my horrific writing. I can't work on mouse pads, alright? It's really tricky. Okay, let's try this next one then. Let's see if I can rub this bit out. Yeah, there we go. Okay, ready for the next one? What's our starter number? Shout it out for me. 11. What do? I give it a little circle. What's my next step? What's my next step? Here it is. It's taking away 1. Show me on your fingers. Taking away 1. Let's go on 11. Do a big jump to the left, to number 10. The answer, oh, that was rubbish. The answer is 10. 11, take away 1 is 10. If you're not sure and you're a little bit stuck with that, grown-ups, please generate your own so that the children can have more practice on the number line. I'll rub these off so it's clear and then use the number line again, okay? If you're ready, let's move on. Okay, now it's your turn, guys. Just like yesterday, you've got some independent work to do. I want you to use the method I have just shown you. So we're just practicing and practicing and practicing, making sure that when we come back to school, we are experts at this, okay? So remembering, we're starting with our first number. That's our first starting point. And then the next bit of the number sentence tells us what we're going to do to find the answer, okay? And remembering which way we're travelling for a subtraction. Oh my goodness, the arrows get worse. We're going that way. To the left, just like Beyonce says, okay? So there we go. Pause this video now. You can use the number line across the bottom to help you, and I'll see you in a second. Okay, we're back. Well done, everyone. You've worked really hard again. Don't forget, add a photo or complete the little note section on your portfolio to say that you've completed the work. I look forward to seeing all of your work. It makes me so proud that you're all just so brave and just carrying on. And I'm hoping to see you all really soon, okay? So don't forget, upload it. Bye-bye.